Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to adjust volume of music on TikTok. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, I'm going to adding a dummy video here and tapping on done and tapping on add sound. For example, I'm going to adding this hacker music and now I'm tapping on volume, and now I can adjust the original sound of the video. For example, I'm making my video sound 29% and the music sound 90%. Okay, then tapping on done, and that's how we can adjust volume of music on TikTok. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.